Baylor University introduces a presidential meet and greet in which new University President Judge Ken Starr will be introduced to the community of Waco and its key supporters of the university and athletic programs. Everyone at Baylor will be a star. Twice a week, Baylor University will have the opportunity to present itself through a use of pep rally type events, where Judge Starr will make appearances in select restaurants and business locations. Will be introduced to the community along with players and coaching staff from baseball, football, and other sports. Local community leaders, students, and residents will have the opportunity to meet the distinguished guests up close and personal. They will learn what the upcoming season holds and get a chance to meet their heroes personally. Local restaurants and businesses will host the events as a way of supporting the university. This will allow the athletic program and the business to create an even more healthy relationship. The goal of these events will be to help Judge Starr establish his academic and spiritual agenda for a boost in athletic-related spirit, which will help the community get involved with Baylor sports teams. So come out, meet the faces of Baylor University and the Baylor athletic programs. Sic 'em Bears!